Alrighty guys, it's been a while. I told you I'd give you updates here and there. Well, I'm gonna probably do the updates on I'll do the update on this car here. So it's the 1999 BMW 740i. What have I done? I took the wiring harness completely out and redid it again because I didn't like mounting the computer inside the car. So I took it out. I am got my mass airflow sensor in this piece here. Had the mass airflow sensor. So I got this, came in the mail today, hooked it up. I just ordered a hose, 4-inch hose to connect this using the factory air box. Try to make it look as stock as possible, guys. It's got 495 horsepower. I'm not into drag racing. 495 horsepower, you're like, yeah, right, you idiot. But anyway, it is what it is. So I hooked everything up, and this is where the computer is going to go, exactly where it was in the BMW. So put it back. I got to make a little bracket for the fuses. Computers will fit in there. This purple wire here goes to my fuel pump, which hooks up to the green wire over here somewhere. But I'll be getting to that probably next weekend, not this weekend. Fuel pump does work because I got a new one. Just had a cough. Allergies are killing me this week. So over to the fuel pump here. It's already in, guys. Yep. Here's the gasket. Get rid of that. So the fuel pump goes in right there. So I put that in. Got a Delphi right from Rock Auto. So now I can put my seat all back together. So we're good there. This goes in the trash. There, went in the trash. I did order a new shifter because I'm missing the electronics off of that one. Don't know what happened to them. So let me open this door here and I will show you what I did underneath. So I did try to put the wiring harness in the factory location before. It was not successful because the wires that go inside here, the wires that go from the OBD2 plug, which is right there, I had to extend these wires because the factory location goes basically right in here. So, and I have the factory one floating around here somewhere, right here, which I'm going to keep because I need it for other stuff on the cluster up here. So anyway, back to here. So my gas pedal harness, there you go, right along here. So I had to make the gas pedal harness was long enough. The wires that go for like all the gauges and stuff like that, I had to make them about 3 feet longer, which I did that. That's all in there wrapped up nice. So I separated because they all bundled and stuff. So I separated and ran them that way, and pretty pleased with that. So we got that. Shifter will be here tomorrow. Put the center console in. Oh, and I just got done melting plastic. So you see all that plastic melting. That was my heater AC duct there, or duct work there. So I melted it back together, and I literally have some Gorilla Glue on my Gorilla tape on my wrist. So I am going to double secure it with that because I don't want no leaks. I want every little drop of air and heat that this car puts out. So still gotta fix the glove box because that's all jacked up. There's the cable there. If I want to get in, I just pull that cable. So anyway, where else am I? What else did we do? What I do? Oh, windshield's put in. Yep, windshield's all done. Got my dry shaft bolts. Dry shaft is at Carolina Drive Line in Spartanburg, South Carolina. They are doing my dry shaft. They're actually going to make an adapter to adapt to the 7L80 and put a U-joint in the front. So that's what we're going to do. I did bleed my system for the AC for the fuel. I sucked all the old fuel out of the tank. I put new 90 octane ethanol free fuel because that's all they have in ethanol free. So I got that in there, and I bled the system, got all the old gunk out of the old lines and put it in there. And then factory oil filter housing, I don't know if I showed you that last time, that is in. I got my new reservoir because when I had it as a 6-speed from the 5 series I had to cut that for the clutch pedal. So everything else is going good. I still want to mount that up. This side is actually pretty decent, but underneath the car, going under there, it's pretty horrible. I'll show you guys in a minute. So over here, car's gonna be fast because it has a Corvette gas pedal. Yep, that's what that is. That's Corvette gas pedal. And here's all the crap that goes up to the gauges and stuff like that. Two of them actually go to the fan, so I'm probably gonna have to take them back out. And it's the purple and the green. They go to the fan. One's fan 1, one's fan 2. So one's for a certain temperature and the other one's for the other temperature. So, and then before it gets dark out, let me show you, because I'm getting ready to clean up, guys. Been working all weekend. And not just on that, but other shit. So, look at all those clips. So all this crap was all peeled back. So I got some weather strip glue, and glue is kind of like this, which I got to do that, which I'm really not concerned about that, because that gets hidden and I can just put a bolt, the screw there, and done. But this is all back together, which is awesome. See that? So now I can actually put this back in the car, but I can't put it in the car yet because I got to put the other shifter in, and it won't fit unless I do that. You know, I won't be able to get the other shifter in and whatever. Yes, that's that. So, power steering lines are hooked up. They're right there. I got them all hooked up. What else? You see them there. They're the oil lines. Got the coolant lines done. Right, you know, goes from here. I got a T in here. I don't know if you can see. We'll just swing it around and flip it around. Goes right into there. So, factory coolant is working. It ain't running yet, but it will. I will have to trim this crap off of here and trim this one off so I can use that. And then I'll just readjust that up till it slides perfectly on. Other than that, I think that's all the update I got on the BMW, guys. So it's getting there. I haven't done anything to the Camaro all summer. I've done some odds and ends on the Porsche. I did the hood, I did the doors, and I'm getting ready to put the quarter panel on, hopefully this weekend, on the right rear. But yeah, there's my computer right there. I did get that flash, so the immobilizer is out of that. And the slant nose is coming along too, but that's another time. I only have the inner core piping to do and the coolant lines on that one to do. And then that will be done. It's not running yet. I just have to get 2 more sensors. Speaking of sensors, I got the O2 sensors for this. They're right there. And then one of the O2 sensors for the slant nose for the Evo motor. That is in the house. That will go to work with me tomorrow because that car is at work. And I'm doing the inner core piping and stuff at work. But that's going to be it for today, guys. Just a quick update on what it is. Doesn't get much views, so, you know, not that many people care about it. But I do. But told you I'd get you a video up here once I get some progress done here and there, and that's what I'm going to do. So I will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully I can put one out next weekend because I'm hoping to get this thing running. The only thing I got to do to get this thing running, I want to get that pipe put on there. I don't have to put that on there, but I want to. The only thing I got to do to get this running is for one of the red wires in here. Not that. Over here. From the harness. This actually has to get hooked up to key 12 volt cranking. That's all I got to look for. And I want to look for it in here. I have a constant 12 volt, but I want to get it in here. And I don't think, no, that's not constant. That's not constant. That's 12 volt cranking only. That goes right to the starter. So, because if it was 12 volts, it would constantly friggin' crank. But other than that, guys, yeah, that's going to be it for now. And hopefully next weekend I get this running and you will get a video up on that. And don't have no exhaust on it yet, but it will. So, all right, we'll see you then.